A very good morning, Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And the reports which we have from ZimLive say that the police have launched an investigation after United States $75,000 in cash, which is believed to be part of money paid as lobola by businessman Wicknell Chivayo for his wife Lulu Muteke, was stolen at Alpha Omega Farm in Marondera area this morning during a raid by up to 19 gunmen. So this is what is happening in Zimbabwe. Up to 19 gunmen stormed their house at Alpha and Omega Farm and stole loads of money. So Wicknell Chivayo is known for lavish lifestyle, which is always published online, everybody seeing whatever which will be happening. And it's very, very sad that they can give a lot of money to the in-laws, but also forget to give them maximum security. So wherever there is money, there is need for security as well. And you can't just publish that we have given so and so much, Tarora and Maria Kati, and you are known that you don't bank your money. What next? Because of the poverty which is in Zimbabwe, because of slave wages which are being given to people in Zimbabwe, some will resort to finding the location, and then these are the results. So it's a very sad situation. This is what has happened to the in-laws of Wicknell Chivayo, and we will be waiting to see what these investigations are actually going to bring. Will these culprits get arrested? Vanga vakawanda. Honestly, guys, imagine vanhu 19 vakatoenda vakatoronga kunodya mari vanhu. There were too many, and it's something else. We do not know if they are going to be apprehended, if they are going to be arrested, but this is the report which is there so far right now. And Zimbabweans are struggling to make ends meet. Zimbabweans are struggling to pay rentals, to pay school fees, medical bills, to build proper homes. You know, I have been seeing something which is of concern. I have been seeing a home, a rural home, which belonged to a certain police officer. It's so sad, guys, to see such pictures like that. For the people who are supposed to be living better lives. Imagine such kind of a situation where senior police officers are buried like paupers. You know, kumba kwacho kunotonyadzisa kuti pamba pemupurisa anga achitoriwo nembiri, you can't even understand. But that is what happens when you support a regime which loots from its own people. That is what happened. Those are the results of such kind of things. So when we talk about these things each and every time, we are always insulted. We always, receive backlash from certain quarters of ZANU-PF people. They always attack us. They always do all sorts of things. But reality remains reality. You never build a nation through propaganda. You can't do that. So the only and the best way is to make sure that everybody benefits equally from whatever which happens in the nation. People must benefit equally. That is something which is very, very important. As long as the people continue to suffer, as long as just a few individuals continue to eat, we will always have problems. So I was trying to find that picture right here. Unfortunately, I can't find it so quickly. But I wanted you to see the kind of houses belonging to some police officers who are terrorizing us right here in the nation of Zimbabwe, and see the kind of lifestyle which they live. So they will come here publicly, and they will pretend to be better people. Yet, if you go to their rural areas, it's a mess. It's a mess everywhere. The kind of homes which they have, you can't call them homes. Honestly, You can't call those homes. That is the kind of Zimbabwe we are living into. So let me try to bring this photo. While Listvana Weekend Chivayo, they are doing whatever which they are doing. That is the kind of homestead for the police officers in Zimbabwe. So Vanababa Lulu, they've benefited. What is Weekend Chivayo's business? Nothing. Then you go to the police officers, avagona kutobhadhara rora rekuti ukachajwa 3,000 chaiyo you can't even pay. Ukachajwa 5,000 chaiyo you can't even pay. But ndione basa rinonzi basa, and you are supposed to be protecting these criminals again. Ike zvine zvavabirwa, iwo police officer ndochanzi mhanya ikoko unowaprotecta, unowachengetedza. But hana business rinogona kuita kuti mataxes abhadharwe, iwo police officer ogowana salary nemusoro. This is what happens when people continue to support nonsense. So this is what is happening in Team Zimbabwe. The report says that the family, the in-laws of Weekend Chivayo were robbed of 75,000 United States dollars by 19 armed gunmen. We will see what the police is going to do, what the results of the police investigations are going to bring. Mbire, thank you very much for coming, says Result Maria Kuba. Yes, thank you very much for this contribution. And I just want to thank everybody who is live with us this morning as we continue to look deeper into what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. Our platforms are being attacked left, right, and center, but we are not going to stop. We are going to continue to fight for change in the nation of Zimbabwe. Even if they temporarily shut down our accounts, we will use other accounts and we will fight even the court of law. We are ready to fight them, and we are not scared of them. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. We will continue to fight for change, and we will continue to do everything which is necessary and possible for us to get change.